Before you put the storage cap back on, make sure you've got enough KCl probe storage solution inside the cap to fully cover the glass probe tip when the probe is inserted in the storage cap. Put it back in the storage cap by inserting the probe into the cap. Turn the top of the storage cap clockwise to tighten. Remember never to store your pH probe in reverse osmosis RO, distilled or deionized water. These types of pure water can change the chemistry of the probe glass and cause damage to your probe.